MG Rob back with you, and as you can see, walls are getting a little bit bare. Got all the signs taken down. We got a lot of stuff already moved out of here. The final move out day is fast approaching. So in today's video, we'll be taking down the 2-post lift, and we'll be getting some of the stuff like my big metalworking table and my leaf brake out of here. So we'll start with taking down the 2-post lift. Let's go. Well, now that we got the lift down, we're starting to take some of the rest of the equipment. So I got my metalworking table on there, and we're getting the brake up there now. And the way we're doing it, since we don't have any skid steer or anything available at the moment, we just gotta come along here, hooked up to the railing up there, just lifting the end of it up. That's how we got the front of it up. Now that's how we're gonna put the back of it up. So now that we got that lifted up, now all I got to do is back the trailer up a little bit, and we got a jack right underneath here on the other end, so it should just roll right up on.
Keep going. That's good, Rob. That's good. I want him to jump up on her.
It's hitting the edge of the
Yeah.
concrete. I didn't want to jerk it hard.
Yeah, we just slide it from here.
What you get when you put Johnstown head and Zanesville head together, right?
Yep.
Two dick heads. Ready?
Yep. That should be about right.
Send it over the wheel.
Yeah, I felt the tongue
Yeah,
move,
might be too far.
move down.
So now that we're out at the new shop, we just use the engine hoist to reverse the procedure to get it off. So Rob's Reliable Used Cars has now moved over to its new location here behind the new shop. Here we got a 1958 MGA. This beauty's so fast it blew its own doors off, and the fenders too. And we got a 69 BGT. This is the easy entry model. No need to open and close the door on this one. And without them big bulky seats, there's plenty of room in the interior. And here we got ourselves a 66B. This is one of those lightweight models. Nothing extra that it doesn't need. And we got the 63 midget. And you all know this thing runs. Now this one, you could actually call this one an eco-friendly model. Might even be carbon neutral, because without a working fuel system, working clutch, and a cooling system that I'm not sure is any good. It's not going to be running very much. And then it's got its own vegetation there, so it puts oxygen back into the air. And we got ourselves a new addition here. This cream puff is a 79 midget. This thing couldn't cost more than maybe 3 times the amount of what it'd be worth finished to make it look like it come off the showroom floor, so that'd be a real bargain.